Ready? Start. Mr. Chairman, Sir, I rise to support the bill introduced by the Honorable Minister. Full stop. The measure before the House is intended to improve the efficiency of public administration and to ensure greater accountability in the functioning of government departments. It has been prepared after careful examination of the recommendations made by various expert committees. Full stop. The objective of the bill is not merely to introduce new procedures but to simplify the existing system and make public services more accessible to the common citizen. Full stop. Every democratic government must remain responsive to the needs and aspirations of the people. Therefore, transparency and accountability should guide every administrative decision. Full stop. Several honorable members have expressed concern regarding the financial implications of the proposed legislation. Full stop. I respectfully submit that any expenditure incurred for improving public administration should be viewed as an investment in national development. Full stop. Efficiency governance reduces unnecessary delays, promotes economic growth, and strengthens public confidence in democratic institutions. Full stop. The government has already initiated a number of reforms in the areas of digital administration, public grievance redressal, and service delivery. These initiatives have produced encouraging results in many states. However, there is still considerable scope for improvement, particularly in ensuring timely implementation of welfare schemes and effective coordination among different departments. Full stop. It is equally important that public servants receive proper training to discharge their responsibilities with competence and integrity. Full stop. Capacity building, continuous learning, and the use of modern technology are essential for improving administrative performance. Full stop. Citizens expect prompt, fair, and transparent services, and it is our collective duty to meet those expectations. Full stop. Sir, no legislation can achieve collective duty to meet those expectations. Objective unless it is implemented sincerely. The success of this bill will depend upon the cooperation of the central government, comma, the state government, comma, and all public authorities entrusted with its execution. Regular monitoring and periodic review will ensure that the intended benefits reach the people without unnecessary delay. Some honorable members have suggested certain amendments to strengthen the safeguards provided in the bill. I welcome constructive suggestions because healthy parliamentary debate improves the quality of legislation. Differences of opinion are natural in a democracy, comma, but our common objective should always be the welfare of the nation and the protection of constitutional values. Full stop. The House has always played a vital role in shaping national policy through informed discussion and reasoned debate. Every member has the privilege as well as the responsibility to participate actively in legislative business. Full stop. Mutual respect, comma, discipline, comma, and adherence to parliamentary procedure contribute significantly to the dignity of this institution. Full stop. I am confident that the proposed legislation will promote administrative efficiency, improve public service delivery, and strengthen the confidence of citizens in democratic governance. Full stop. It reflects the commitment of the government to ensure transparency, accountability, and good governance while safeguarding the rights and interest of every citizen. Full stop. With these words, sir, I once again express my support for the bill and request all honorable members to consider its provisions objectively. Full stop. Let us work together in a spirit of cooperation to enact legislation that serves the larger public interest and contributes to the progress, unity, and prosperity of our country. Full stop.